Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a homeware haul because I'm in a new place yet again in my videos. Today I am hopefully in my long-term apartment bedroom situation. Just gonna zoom in real quick because I'm kind of far out. Here's the deal, if you haven't watched my moving to the UK video, which you should have, but that's okay. I did a Q&A where I talked about how I'm moving to the UK. Now I am in the UK, I'm in Edinburgh. I have been living in Airbnbs for the past 3 weeks. And now I'm finally in this room. It's very big, it's very cute, it's very comfortable, and I hopefully will be here for the next at least 9 months. Not 100% sure yet because I haven't signed a lease, but I have moved in. I'm just taking that as like, you can move in now. So I went and bought a bunch of stuff for my room. I have completely unpacked, all my things are put away, you can't see anything apart from a white background, but I have all my clothes in here. I'll show you. I have all my clothes packed away in here. I have a desk full of stuff over there. And now I'm going to show you all the things that I bought. Now I have gone to Primark pretty much every day since I moved here. I have bought some things like this sweater. This was £5. It's like an extra large or something like that. I bought it really big so that would be really comfy. It worked. I bought 2 other things, I think. 3 other things. Right. So this I bought a few weeks ago when I also bought this white shirt. This is just a plain white t-shirt. It was in the sales section, but it's sort of like that thermal sort of material. Super cozy, super comfortable. I have worn it a bunch of times since I bought it. This I have not worn yet, but I have to buy it. I think that one was £3 and this one was £2. No, that one was £2, this one was £3. This is a Harry Potter shirt. So in case you didn't know, Primark has a bunch of Harry Potter stuff. I am a Harry Potter tour guide now, so I'm just going all out. It's a cute pajama top. So my other Hogwarts shirt I wear as a pajama top all the time and I love it. I don't understand their sizing system here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what size this is other than it's a little bit bigger than I usually buy. This is the thing that I love about these shirts, okay? It says H. Potter on there, and then down here it has property of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry sort of added on. Isn't that cute? For £3. And I just love that because it's like gym shirts. Like when I was in middle school and high school, we had like gym shirts that you had to wear at gym. And I still have mine from my old high school, and I just think that's like a cute Hogwarts inspired gym shirt. Anyways, those are not homeware things. Those are just things that I bought from Primark. So we're now going to get into the homeware stuff. I'm going to put my glasses back on because I'm blind. Okay, so I have this giant bag from Primark, and then I have this giant bag from Asda. So you guys don't know what my room looks like right now, but there is basically, where you're facing me is a huge window seat. And then I wanted to get a new duvet cover, a new sheets and everything because I am going to be moving hopefully somewhere else in the UK in 9 months, and I didn't want to have to deal with all of that stuff when I move. Plus I just wanted this room to feel more like home for me. So not all of this is homeware stuff, so if it doesn't look like I've showed you enough stuff, it's because there's also like granola bars in here and like tea and chips. And so I just have multiples of those things, so it's just taking up a lot of space. Let me show you what I got from Asda first. So I bought these sheets. I'm actually just really hoping that all of these sheets fit my bed. I tried to Google the dimensions. Yeah, just hoping they do. These are by George. So because most of you guys are from Canada or the US, George is the Walmart brand in Canada and the US. In the UK, George is the Asda brand. So that's, yeah. And the fitted sheet was £6. That's that. I actually did not want to buy sheets from Primark because they seemed really like rough and gritty, and that hurts my face when I'm laying on it. But I have a duvet cover from Walmart, presumably then it's by George, at home, so I feel okay buying this because I know it probably won't hurt my face. And then I got, for pillowcases, it's sort of like jersey material. It says brushed cotton. 2 pillowcases. They don't match, but I figure my duvet cover will come with pillowcases, so then these ones will just go behind and it won't be a big deal. The pillowcases were £3, and then the last thing I got from Esso was £4, and it's just this little marble cup. It's not really like cup shaped, it's very like kind of like can shaped, but I'm just gonna put my toothbrush in there in the bathroom. Also, I did grocery shopping there and I got these. If anybody grew up in an Italian household, tell me if you recognize these. They're called balconi, and then it says mixed milk. They're like these chocolate little cakes. This is like my childhood. Oh, we're moving on to things I got from Primark, the good stuff. One of the first things that I bought, no, it was actually one of the last things that I bought. I'm just saying one of the first things that I bought because it's the first thing that I'm showing you. This was £4. These are 10 hangers. And I bought these, even though our wardrobes came with hangers in them, they only had like 5 in each, so I just bought some extra. I don't need any right now, but my roommate wanted some, and I feel like I probably will want one in the future. So, some hangers. I got this cute, one side is red velvet, one side is pink, like dusty rose. This cushion was £6, and I think it will go with my bedding very nicely. Okay, then I bought 2 of these. So this is like a turquoisey blue velvet. I asked on my Instagram whether you guys thought I should go with like a primary color vintage sort of vibe to my room, or a little bit more modern with like those dusty pinks and gold and turquoise. This is the color of turquoise I meant. It's kind of like tealy. Anyways, I went with a modern one because you guys voted for that more, and also because it's way easier to find cheap stuff that matches that. So I'm going to cut the tags off of this, but I really like this because it has these little straps on them. That might be annoying if you just want to put them on the ground, but I'm putting them on the ledge by the window, and so I'm going to tie them together, and then they'll hopefully just then like stay together and won't fall apart when I'm sitting on them. They won't push aside. Each of these were £4.50, so there were some at H&M that were the same style, but they didn't have the tassel thingies on them, the straps, and they were £8 each. So this was a lot cheaper because I got both of them for £9, and I can tie them together. Then this is my duvet cover. I went to Primark with my roommate yesterday, didn't buy anything. I think I bought one thing. I can't remember what it was now. Oh, I bought a towel. I bought a towel similar to this color, and that was it. So I wanted to get a duvet cover, but I couldn't decide between which style I wanted to go with. I really wanted like a mustardy yellow sort of colored one, but I couldn't find anything like that. So I got this one. Just pull it up close so you guys can see what it's supposed to look like. So this is what it's supposed to look like. It was £11, and I figure I could get a mustard yellow cushion cover because I have a cushion on there, and I'm just going to put my own cushion cover on it, and I feel like it'll go with mustard yellow accents, so that's something. This is one of the last things that I got. In reality, it's one of the first things that I grabbed. This was, I think, £4. This is just, it says storage bin. I'm going to use it for laundry, and it's green, kind of has some sort of like geometric shape on it, but I like it because it reminds me of Birds of Paradise leaves, which are very in right now. I made a mess. This was the last thing that I got because I was standing in line and they were at the checkout. These are just over the door hangers. So when you're renting an apartment, it's really hard to hang things up. I really want to get that like double-sided tape stuff that you can get to hang like pictures and stuff, but I don't know how well that would work for a hanger because I don't know like how sturdy those double-sided tape pieces are, or if they would just fall over when you tried to hang anything heavy on them. So this is a good solution. I'm going to put one on my door and one on the bathroom door. They're also quite nice looking. Like, they've got the wood knobs on them. That's not bad. These were £2.50. Now, the only thing that I still need is a garbage bin and a blanket. There's no blankets in this place. There's like duvets and there's a throw over top of my bed, but there's no like, just like a blanket you could curl up with. So I need to buy one of those. It's not something I want to get from Primark because the thing is, like, the Primark blankets are very fleecy, and I just think they're kind of gross. Like, I feel like they're just gonna attract dust and like get really gross really quick. So I looked, then they have like some fancier ones, the like Primark luxury range, but then they're 20 pounds. And I'm like, I'm not spending 20 pounds on this blanket, because then I saw the ones that I liked at H&M were like 20 pounds. So I feel like H&M has more variety and maybe better quality. It's probably actually same level of quality, but they're probably a little bit more stylish, I guess, because they just have more options. The other thing that's so frustrating for me is I have stuff at home that would go so well in this room. Like, I have this yellow blanket that I wish I brought, but there's just no way I could have packed it. So that's that. These are all the things that I bought for my home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying coming along with me on my adventure. If at any time you have any questions about how to pack up your life and move overseas, just let me know, because I've done it. I'm an expert now. If you haven't seen my moving Q&A and you have questions, maybe watch that first, because I do answer a lot of questions about how I moved here, why I moved here, what I'm doing here, all that fun stuff. But if you do have any other questions, talk to me. I'm not so popular that I won't answer you. So I guess you could like the video. If you like the video, it means it makes it easier for other people to find it on YouTube, so that's good for me. And let me know if there's any other kind of video that you want in the future. I hopefully will do a room tour once I am done decorating, but that might be a little ways in the future, and hopefully after I have signed a lease. Bye! Look at this. Oh la la! So much stuff. Can't wait to clean that up.